Looking for a budget boost, JK? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 budget boost JK available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect budget boost JK for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the MotoFab Lifts Full Lift Kit. The Full Lift Kit by MotoFab Lifts takes first place. I've previously evaluated this brand, and let me tell you, they're fantastic at what they do. They create gorgeous boost kits that please not just consumers, but also critics like myself. I believe that roughly 300 favorable reviews are sufficient to ensure that this is a fantastic product. If you have a Jeep Wrangler model from 2007 to 2018, you will be more than satisfied with this one. It not only gives you a 3-inch lift in the back, but it also gives you a 3-inch lift in the front. You'll get a whole new perspective on the world surrounding your vehicle. Because the lift is so significant, the package also includes shock extenders, as the stock shocks are incompatible. So you don't need to go to a mechanic or even a hardware store to install it because it comes with everything you need. The entire kit is composed of solid steel. It's incredibly durable, and the black surface harmonizes with the rest of the suspension system while also reducing the risk of rust and corrosion. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the True2 Coil Spacer Suspension Lift Kit. True2 is a brand I had never heard of until I was looking for Jeep Wrangler accessories. They will undoubtedly spring to mind anytime I discuss lift kits in the future. This True2 Coil Spacer Suspension Lift Kit is composed of lifetime-grade polyurethane rather than steel. It has the same strength as steel, but is more corrosion and rust-resistant. As a result, in terms of durability, this second kit is on par with the MotoFab one. This lift kit adds a 2.5-inch lift to the front and rear of your vehicle. It's smaller than the last one, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Each person is free to make his or her own decision. A 2.5-inch lift may be more comfortable for them than a 3-inch lift. It still has enough difference to let you look at the traffic around you from a new perspective. The elevator is not equipped with the factory-installed isolators. If you install them, you will receive a lift of more than 2.5 inches. At number 3 on our list, we have the Rough Country 2.5 Lift Kit. What can I say? This list is being dominated by brands that are extremely popular among Jeep owners. Rough Country is the second company on this article which I have reviewed before. But they don't only make lift kits. They also manufacture shocks, and they are pretty good at that. The brand advertises this Rough Country 2.53 lift kit as the ultimate combination of style, performance, and protection. I can vouch for this statement with full confidence. The increased raise provides the undercarriage with excellent protection while off-roading. You will also notice no degradation in performance, which is a common misconception in the world of lift kits. This kit has a bolt-on installation. You don't need to mess with the strut assembly, which is not only time-consuming, but is a difficult task. You can install the whole kit by yourself without ever needing to involve a mechanic. But what set this product is truly apart is that the brand provides a lifetime warranty with it. This is an offering that is most probably one of the main reasons the kit racked up more than 300 positive reviews. The warranty assures buyers that, if any fault occurs, they are eligible for a free cost replacement that may have originated from the factory. At number 4 on our list, we have the Teraflex 1,251,000 Lift Kit. If you are one of those that treat their Jeep Wrangler like a baby and will stop at nothing to get it the best of everything, then you will not find anything more worth your while than this 1,251,000 Lift Kit by Teraflex. This one contains a full lift kit and brand new shocks to go with that new raise. You will not only be seeing the traffic from a new angle, but will get excellent shock absorption too. If you are getting a lift kit for the sole purpose of upgrading your tires, then why should you not upgrade the shocks in the process too? I think you should do that. This product allows you to upgrade to a maximum of 35 tires. This is not possible with the stock settings. Buyers noticed a noticeably better driving experience after installing this product. The brand also sells a variant that has shock extenders instead of full shock absorbers. That is for people who don't want to spend so much to get this product. It is very kind of the brand to think of their customers' needs. At number 5 on our list, we have the Skyjacker 4-lift pallet kit. I think I can safely say that most of the brands on this article are ones whose products I have reviewed before. Skyjacker also adds to that list with its mind-blowing lift kit that provides a whopping 4 lift. As you must have suspected, a lift of 4 inches is not possible with the stock suspension settings or even with a shock extender, which is commonly the solution to kits that raise around 3.5 inches. This Skyjacker 43-lift pallet kit requires new and compatible shocks, which are present in this set. The company guarantees that every single component for a full suspension system upgrade is included in the box. They will help breathe new life into your vehicle. As it is compatible with the 1997 to 2002 models of the Jeep Wrangler, I think it is well past due time to upgrade the vehicle's internals to get it back to its original driving experience. At number 6 on our list, we have the Teraflex 1,155,200 Leveling Kit. Finally, coming in at 6th place is a product that is different from the rest but has similar functionality. This final product is a leveling kit instead of a lift kit. If you want to know the difference, I have listed a buying guide further down, which answers the more common questions people ask while upgrading. This Teraflex 1,155,200 leveling kit gives you a 2-inch raise from the front and a 1-inch raise from the rear. Now, you must be wondering that why are these two lift values not the same? The aim of installing a leveling kit is to level the front of the vehicle with the rear. Some people are looking for such products as they don't want additional lift just for better traffic angles, but they want better stability and less downshifting. Another thing that makes this one unique is that it is compatible with all Jeep Wrangler models introduced after 2007. That is more than 13 years of support, which means it is available for a vast array of Wrangler owners. It also works with the stock shock absorbers. You don't have to spend extra money to find compatible shocks. You don't even need shock extenders for this kit to work. All you need is a few hours of your time and patience. At number 7 on our list, we have the Rough Country 609s. With a maximum lift height of 3.5 inches, this Rough Country Jeep lift kit will create enough room for those 37-inch tires that you have always wanted to have on your Jeep. It uses an easy bolt-on installation and comes with detailed instructions to ensure that anyone can install it. And the installation should only take between 4 and 5 hours. Being a product from one of the best Jeep lift kit brands, you can also be sure that all the individual components on the kit are top-notch quality and highly durable. Another thing that makes this one of the best suspension lift kit is that it provides increased ground clearance for excellent off-road performance. And it will also include coil correction plates that will correct the rear coil spring angle by 10 degrees to make them function more efficiently. Besides the improved off-road performance, this kit also helps to maintain smooth on-road rides. It does not work on two-wheel models, and exhaust modifications will be necessary for those with 2012 and up models. At number 8 on our list, we have the Rough Country 907s. For the Jeep owners that want to go all out and give their vehicle a massive 4-inch lift to create room for large tires, the Rough Country 907s is a good kit to buy. And for a 4-inch lift kit, it is also quite affordable. With this kit, you can be confident of getting increased ground clearance and excellent off-road performance. The kit also comes complete with everything that you need. And this includes lifted coil springs and lower tubular control arms for the front and rear, and 4 premium N3 shocks. Easy bolt-on installation ensures there are no complications during installation. This kit will level the front and rear of your Jeep, and its N3 shocks ensure you get the best on and off-road performance. This kit has quite many parts and components, which should explain the longer installation time. But they should still be easy to manage, provided you organize them well. Number 9 on our list, we have the Rough Country 681s. Here is another relatively affordable Jeep lift kit from Rough Country that will provide a 4-inch lift. It is meant for lifting the 2007-18 Wrangler Unlimited JK4WD only, and it comes as an all-inclusive kit. Like many other Rough Country Jeep lift kits, it uses the easy bolt-on installation to simplify the process. It will also increase ground clearance and make it a good Jeep Wrangler Unlimited lift kit as it delivers better off-road performance. Also, it uses coil correction plates to correct the rear coil spring angle by 10 degrees so that these springs can function more efficiently. Installation should take between 4 and 5 hours, which is quite good compared to many others on our review of Jeep lift kits in the market. However, this kit will also not work for two-wheel models, and exhaust modifications might be necessary when installing it on some models. For some Jeep models, you might need to do some exhaust modification. But the good news is that it is just a small and easy modification that most Jeep owners should be able to do on their own. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the JKS 9904114 body lift system for Jeep TJ. Body lifts are generally more affordable than suspension lifts, but the best thing about them is that they do not affect the suspension's geometry or the spring rate. And so, with a body lift like the JKS 9904, you can still maintain a safe and smooth on-road ride. This body lift kit will raise the body by 1.25 inches on the chassis to provide additional tire clearance and with minimal effect on the center of gravity. The easy-to-install kit will come with all the necessary parts and hardware, and like with most other body lift kits, installation is a simple and straightforward process. And you will not need to modify your fuel tank, radiator, air conditioning, or brakes like with other Jeep lift kits. There is no increase in ground clearance with this Jeep lift kit, but given that it is a body lift, this should be expected. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.